So we have Deena with us. So I'm sure आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा suggestions होंगे. सबसे पहले तो इस Blue Sky Academy के बारे में कुछ कह रहे थे आप.
Blue Sky Nail Academy is in Mumbai for now 3rd year in 2020, and we have clients also, but our precious in this academy is students. We try to educate karna hai, and teaching the ladies how to use the product, the gel extension, gel polish, because it's very popular right now in the salons as a service, right? And we are glad that people look after their nails, they make it nice and beautiful, and they feel good about it. So we teach here for the other salons, and we also have service for our customers and friends.
रेसिपी आप अपने ही नेल्स पर करवा रहे हो. नेल्स का कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ख्याल रखते हो, कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
यार टचवुड मेरे नेल्स ना मतलब बहुत ब्रिटल नहीं है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो मैं यूजुअली एडिशनल जो नेल्स लगवाते हैं वो मैं नहीं करती हूँ. आई लाइक टू यूज़ माई ओन नेल्स एंड like you can see the level of I think it keeps getting better every time you come to a place like that. It keeps getting better. This is like gorgeous. So there are 3D nail arts. There are this is so beautiful. Look how magnet is creating the grains to go to one side. So every time, just look at this. Look, can you see? It's like a cat eye effect. It's beautiful. But I think nails का anyways, okay, मतलब जितना हो सके ख्याल तो आप क्या रख सकते हो. It is also genetic. कईयों के बहुत brittle होते हैं, बहुत पतले से होते हैं. I'm quite fortunate. Growth भी अच्छी है मेरे nails की, but maintain तो करना पड़ता है, whether it's manicure or whatever. But thankfully मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती. Naturally I have good nails, and they don't break or something. मैं लंबे nails रख पाती हूँ और ज़्यादा टूटते नहीं.
Okay, तो अपने fans को कुछ in case you have to give any tips for nails.
यार I तो honestly suggest not to put the artificial ones, क्योंकि वो I think धीरे-धीरे ना वो आपके खुद के nails thin हो जाते हैं, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. It's my experience. मुझे लगता है अपने nails के ऊपर करा लेना चाहिए, which you use the technology to the right this thing by not using too much glue. So
वही ये जो nail आपने special color करवाया है, like you said, it will go with your show also, it will go with your character also.
Absolutely. I think Antara is quite wacky. She should be doing something unpredictable, and these shades I have not seen ever. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. This collection is beautiful, and I think now, damn, I'll have to come back again here.
You're most welcome.
I'm so coming back for this.
Yeah. Yes, you can if you want.
You can?
You can wash your dog. I do.
So maybe I will.
You don't have to.
Don't have to. At least till time my introduction scene is short, I'm going to avoid, and then I'll get back to being the mother that I am.
Yes, unless you're just shooting and.
Yeah. As of now, I'm actually waiting to flaunt this in my show. So my introduction is happening, so I'm going to do that, and after that, I'm going to go back to being the working mother that I am. Rough and tough, and then we will see.
And Blue Sky Gel Polish will stay there forever.
Wow. Then so actually next time when I come here, I'll be able to actually give you the exact feedback of how rough and tough this nail is.
Feedback.
Absolutely. Yeah. From a working mother. Absolutely.
It's really nice.
Can't wait to see it again.
I like the sparkling one also.
The sparkling. It's nice because usually they do it on one nail. I like the advice of doing it on the both the nails. It's beautiful.
This is cat's eye.
Cat's eye.
I just saw the ring part, so the ring is like that,
Which
cat's
ring?
eye is like a stone.
Yeah, it is. Yes.
Yeah.
So अब अंतरा की अलग से एंट्री होगी जहाँ फिंगर्स ज़्यादा दिखाए जाएंगे.
देखो अंतरा पहले भी उसका एक वो मैंने तकिया कलाम बोल सकते हैं बनाया हुआ है जो she thinks only like that, all her wicked ideas comes like that. अब now that I have such gorgeous nails and this color is just like this needs to be flaunted and like showed off. So yeah, अब तो मतलब हर जगह पे तबाही मचेगी जितनी अब. Look at this is gorgeous like as hell. Nahira, thank you.
Yes, but
guys,
that's
you know where
so
to come. This is so me. This is like really so me. Like I like subtle, yet I like a little bit of glitter. Like
And
it's
magic.
It's magic
And magic.
and magic.
Good nails. We were talking to Daljit also. आप कुछ tips देना चाहेंगे? You being in this industry.
So if you're going for a gel polish nails, I suggest to all the women not to come home and after some time just keep removing it, you know, because some people they get annoyed after 3-4 weeks and they keep sitting at home and doing this.
Yes.
Never do that. That makes your nail weak. If you come and remove it here and reapply, nothing happens, because I use this product, Blue Sky gel polishes, for about 10 years now, since Russia, and my nails are intact. So there is myth that gel polish spoil the nail. Gel polish never spoils your nail. Removing wrongly spoils your nail.
Yeah, because you kind of
Yes,
and
yes,
the whole nail is
yes.
coming out.
And right now the gel products are so safe for the nails. They are 7 chemicals free. They're 100% vegan. So there is absolutely nothing which can spoil your nail. That's a myth. So just enjoy your beautiful nails,
Thank
manicure,
you.
and flaunt it.
I'm gonna flaunt it, and I'm so coming back
Flaunt it.
for my next magic to happen.
On that note, thank you so much, Dina.
Thank you.
Nice
Thank
meeting
you
you.
so much. It's so lovely. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Daljit. I'll see you soon on set. Thank you.
Bye.
With camera person Vinay, this is Nihan Tani for Teddy Masala.